Hello again, everybody. Doing here, DRFX Forex trading. Pound US dollar. As you recall from last time, we've looked at this pair. This large consolidation setup has been in place since 2009. More recently, we've seen the market attempting to break out lower and break the support to start a strong breakout in favor of the US dollar. However, as we zoom in and take a closer look at this setup, we can see that the market broke out, attempted on two occasions to break out from this support, and we're now seeing the market seeing where the bulls are now taking control once again to thwart this third attempt. This latest attempt came following the formation of this medium consolidation setup at the support boundary. Here we can see the market broke out with these weak candles, and this was followed by a strong reversal that took out these weak candles to produce this bullish rally that we're now seeing just below the support point. Now there are two things that we could actually see taking place. One is that the market could be headed back inside of the support of the pennant and possibly start a movement back inside of this larger consolidation, or we could actually see the market produce a U-turn after it tests the boundary, the support boundary here. So this is a very common possibility when we're talking about consolidation breakout. The market would always will tend to pull back to the broken boundary before U-turn to resume the breakout. So that is a possibility that we should still consider. It is also that that possibility is all the more likely given the fact that this signal that we see here is not a very strong signal. This was shaping up to be an ABC signal, which is a very common signal that you will see in trading manual, as well as across the currency market, that normally starts false breakout reversals. As you can see from figure 15, the first part of the manual, the ABC is one of the most common signals, along with double tops or double bottoms, as well as the formation of smaller consolidations that lead to the reversal back inside of a larger consolidation. However, as you can see with this ABC setup, the B to C area is normally found with an obvious U-turn. A little bit of a dip followed by a U-turn and the signal. In this case, however, this is more like a strong bullish candlestick, engulfing candlestick formation rather than a BC or an ABC setup. So this is not the type of signal that you trade. So that is why it is still possible that the market could actually U-turn to test this area before U-turn to break this counter trend line to resume the breakout. Nevertheless, we're still bullish, and we could actually see the market produce a strong bull candle inside of this area here and then take us to the resistance boundary. Following that, the market could do one of two things. It could form a small consolidation setup at this resistance area, or a counter trend line break that leads to the breakout above this pennant and the start of this false breakout within the larger consolidation. So those are the possibilities that we see right now for this pair. A U-turn that takes place at this area here to break this counter trend line to resume the bearish breakout, or we could actually be in the early stage of a reversal that first of all takes us back inside with the pennant and then heads higher on its way to this larger target, resistance target at 169.40.